Cool. Peace to the tribe. Peace to everybody joining on in. All right. All right. Let me share my. There we go. All right, cool. Y'all can hear me? Audio good? Audio good. If you can, just comment on the in the YouTube chat. Let me know I'm all good. You can hear me. Got some good audio coming through. Okay. Can't hear? Okay, I got two. Somebody said we can, somebody said we can't. Just let me know. I need a couple more votes so I can know if it's one person or multiple. Make sure you got your audio turned up. Make sure you got your audio turned up. Can anybody else? Jason said yeah. G said no. Okay. He said I must have super hearing. Yeah, somebody. If one person can hear me, it's probably something else that's going on. I'm testing my. I'm gonna switch up a little bit. Turn up some volumes. I can now. Okay. Fatima, how you feeling? Okay, Jeremy said I could hear just fine. So just try to leave and come back in, Fatima. It might be your audio is either turned off or not working, something like that. But we got a few minutes, so just try to work on it. But we're going to go ahead and get started. Thank you, everybody, for being here. All right. Super excited because this is our first ever strategy stream. So bear with all the technical difficulties getting this thing started, but it will be worth it. So the goal is to really go ahead and I got a little, let me see if I can show y'all this right here. I had a little presentation that we already put together. We went over this stuff already, but just in case you missed it, let's talk a little bit about what to expect. The goal is just to provide you with real-time strategies and market insights so that you can become more proficient and confident in your trading decisions. So I think if you'll see my confidence and you'll see my analysis, it might just, something will translate to you. I really want to see y'all learn how to trade. I'm tired of people who start and then, not tired of people, I'm tired of seeing people start and then stop, or see people who get lost on demo trading for 4 or 5 years. People who keep on putting in real money and losing that money. We got to do something. So I said, man, let me just keep going live, keep on showing, leading by example. That's the goal, okay? All right. Yeah, I'm not sure, Fatima. Yeah, try to leave out, leave back in, and then reload as well, okay? So what you're going to get from this is we're going to be doing some, of course, the insights just from seeing real trading. So much comes from that. I can't even put into words everything you're going to learn just from seeing somebody else trade. And then also the interactiveness. As you see me trade, I want you to ask questions. A lot of stuff I'm going to be doing real fast. So there's going to be moments of me trying to teach, but then there's going to be moments of me really trying to trade and pass this challenge. Also on that note, let me go ahead and log into my Top Step account so that way I can show y'all what it looks like on your dashboard. You should be on your dashboard as well. I'm going with I'm trying to figure out which one I want to go with. I think I'm gonna go with I go with the last one. There we go. Okay, cool. Thank you, Fatima. Thank you. Thanks for letting me know. All right, cool. We all good. Fatima, you out here with the false news, thinking, making me feel like I did something wrong. Thank you, though. Thank you. All right, y'all. We all good. Everybody all good. We ready. So, yeah, right now, if it starts to lag as well or something like that, let me know, okay? Please let me know if it starts to lag. Hit that like button, please. Hit the subscribe as well, so that way the algorithm could push this out to more people. But yeah, we about to go ahead and try to pass this challenge. So Top Step has a promo going right now. If you sign up for Top Step X, you can get you a funded challenge for $19. And at Unlock Academy, we said, hey, if you sign up for our membership or book a one-on-one session, we'll pay for your Top Step challenge. You don't have to. If you want to just watch and follow along, that's fine too, okay? So I'm about to go ahead and I logged in. I purchased my account, $19. I'm in there. It's $19 a month unless I pass it. Once I pass it, they're going to stop charging me $19 a month. If I fail this challenge this week, for example, in 30 days, they'll reset it automatically. So that $19 a month gets you a free reset at rebill. So every month when they charge your card $19 again, if you didn't pass it, then they'll just reset your account for you, so that way you can do another challenge. Okay, so if you got questions on that as we go along, let me know. But let's go ahead. To get into it, I'll click Launch Top Step X right here at the top. Okay. And boom, here we go. Now I'm on Top Step X. So at the top, you'll see I got a 50K account. 48,000 is the max I can lose. I also went ahead and if you see on my screen, you'll see I got this little scoreboard, so to speak, okay, which is helping me keep track of where I am. So right now I'm at 50,000, and my goal is to get it up to 53,000. Okay, so let's see if I can get it up there. Let me put these locks all together. Let me tie the locks up, and let's go ahead and get into it. All right. It's my power right here. Combine all the power. I don't know what the heck I did with my hair, but it's good enough. All right, so at the morning move with the members, we went ahead and had a nice little session, and we went over some trending markets. So I'm gonna see if some of those markets gonna start to move. So I'm gonna trade on Top Step. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to buy and sell on Top Step, but I do all of my analysis over here on TradingView. Okay, so it's 9:23 Eastern time. I'm waiting for the 9:30 bell to kick off. Okay. Before it does that, I want to go ahead and read like pretty much a morning oath that I say to myself. I'll repeat it with y'all too. I don't think I've ever recited this publicly, but I'll go ahead and do it now. I got it over here on my other computer. It goes like this. I am committed to trading smart, trading informed, and trading consistently. Okay? This oath reminds me not to just pursue profits, but also to support my trading decisions, my trading strategy, and my trading back testing. Okay? So I am committed to trading smart, trading informed, and trading consistently. I say informed because I have put a lot of time into building tools, and I want to take advantage of those tools. It's giving me information. Right now, these blue lines at the top up here is telling me what my current market structure looks like. This is the high and the low of the day, right here. Okay, T.Bot is telling me when we in the trade zone, when we in the red zone, things like that. I have the news that I could tell me what information is coming out today. If there's some big headlines, I want to make sure I'm on point. So that's it. And then consistently is really big, because trading your strategy is not going to give consistent results. Not saying you can't win that way, but you won't get consistent results. And when things go weird, you'll be like, why? Okay, why? All right. All right, cool. So what I want y'all to do right now, this market is about to open in 5 minutes, okay? 5 minutes. So I want to take a moment and let everybody get used to each other, and I want to know who's here. So do me a favor, in the chat, do me this favor and let me know, for one, where you tapping in from, but more specifically, let us know just something that you're really passionate about, something you really passionate about. Let us know down in the chat. It might be dancing, it might be human rights, it might be graphic design. Let us know in the chat what you're really passionate about, okay? And I'm in for a long stream, and y'all know my goal is to be the most transparent trader. So right now what I'm gonna do is I'm about to go and grab me a little bit of something to put on my stomach, because I'm gonna be sitting here with y'all for at least the next 2 hours. So let me go grab my breakfast real quick, and then I'll be right back before the opening bell even starts, okay? But let me know in the chat, let everybody else know. If you see something that's interesting to you from somebody else, holla at them, man. We all part of the tribe, all right? 3, 2, 1, go. Hey, family, I'm back. Did I beat the morning bell? Okay, it's right on time. There we go. And I see y'all in the chat. That's what's up. Appreciate y'all. I want to go through some of these and see who we got in the building too. But let me see what happens here with this market when it opens up. Let me see what happens. So I'm on a 1 hour time frame right now. Oh, we did a nice pullback, a beautiful pullback. Nice, that's what I was waiting for right here. Okay, it's gonna be intense, y'all. It's crazy teaching and trading at the same time. So let's see what happens. My boy Craig in the building. Coach Chris Egg in the building. Okay, I see some questions coming through too. I got you. Keep the questions coming. I'm definitely answering all of those. It's the 5 second. Nah, let me get up to 5 second time frame. Okay. Ooh, it's pushing down. So I like to see how the opening bell really does, especially that first hour of the market. See what 9:30 to 10:30 looks like. Sometimes it's just obvious. You get some good moves, but right now we gotta see. We gotta see what's happening. So this is gold. Gold is looking real shady. Gold is looking shady. It's having a hard time getting out of this little box right here. Don't mind me, y'all. I talk to myself a lot too. But since y'all here, I'm gonna act like I'm talking to y'all. You know, it makes me not look so crazy. Sheesh, the wheat market is booming, y'all. I'm telling y'all, I've made money off of wheat. It changed everything. If you don't understand wheat, don't feel bad, because I didn't either. But wheat is in everything, as you know, from our bread to our cereal to our crackers, like you name it. But it's a whole market, and it's up. People are buying more and more wheat. So this thing is booming right now on a Monday. It's too late though. I only trade. So let me talk about the strategy, since we are on strategy stream. Let's talk about what I'm gonna be trading. The main thing I trade is uptrends, okay, and downtrends. So I tell this to people all the time. The market can go in 3 different directions. It can go up. Okay, that's an uptrend. When you see the market going up like that, it can go down. Okay, that's a downtrend. Or it can go sideways, and that's when it's having a hard time going up or going down. So it just stays in this ugly looking zone, which we call consolidation, and I like to call trap house. Okay, so uptrend, downtrend, consolidation. I'm only trying to trade in these markets when it's going up, or these markets when it's going down. Now specifically my strategy though, right? My strategy is looking for when it goes up, down, and makes a V, right? If it makes a nice V, this is where I'm looking to get in at and then ride it up, okay? Get out the market. Comes down again, starts to make another V, get in here, ride it up, get out the market. Comes down again, starts to go up, make another V. Is y'all seeing these V's? Just want to make sure we all good and we seeing it, right? If you see the V, type V below in the chat. Type V below if you see the V. That's what the market does. It makes these nice V patterns. Sometimes it doubles up and makes a W pattern, okay? It then goes up, okay? So V, W, V, W, V, W. That's what I'm looking for. So look how the market goes up, comes down and makes a V. You see that? That's what I'm looking for. And then sometimes it makes a W. Down, up, down, up. Okay? I know it looks a little crazy on this chart, but if you can see that W, type W below. Okay? That's what we're looking for. And I want to just train your eye to see that. That's the strategy that we focused on this week. The strategy stream this week is focused on the trap house breakout and the trap house bounce. And that's a high trending market waiting for a pullback. If I don't get a pullback, I don't trade. Okay? And I'm not gonna force that. How you feeling? Hey, shook me up, my guy. Got my Coach Craig. I just was like, yo, Coach Craig on here. I said I was hoping he was. You popped up in the build. How you feeling?
All right.
All right. Need anything? Okay, cool. All right. So yeah, that's what we're mainly looking for. Okay, just looking for those uptrends and those downtrends. That's it. All right. So I'm gonna be patient. I'm gonna wait. A lot of times I will force some stuff just for the habit of wanting to trade with y'all live, but I'm gonna wait it out. And here it comes, actually, right here, right now. Look like this is coming down, so I'm gonna be patiently waiting to see if I can get me a nice setup, because the NASDAQ, which is 100 top companies, okay, is pulling back. And if this pulls back and gives me something similar to this right here, you see this nice little W, boom, 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 I'll be good. that's when I'm gonna start looking for some entries. All right. So I'm gonna wait it out. I'm gonna wait it out. While we wait for that, let me see what y'all talking about in the Chizat. See some VSW. Got some lag happening. Okay. Nostalgia Game said I was exploring wheat, soybeans, and platinum all weekend. Good job. I love to see people studying on the weekends. Peace, Julia. Mike from B More, what's up, my guy? Travis, residing in Georgia. I'm passionate about learning, being of service to people, and inspiring others. Nice. Fatima said, I'm from Philly, passionate about trading. Been trading for 2 years, but I'm ready for futures. Go ahead. The transition ain't gonna be that hard for you either. You got this. Tapping in from Toronto, passionate about learning this skill. Got you, LeBron. Learning to trade. That's crazy. I'm passionate about trading. I love it. Gaming, nostalgia games. I enjoy relaxing and learning. Okay, soccer 12s. Tapping in from Jamaica, super passionate about learning to trade. Got it. Okay. Okay. All right, sweet. So yeah, this strategy, like I talked about, is just an uptrend or downtrend strategy. The mechanics are really simple. We looking for uptrends on a higher time frame. Okay. And then I'm looking for pullbacks on a lower time frame. That's why you see I got two charts open over here, because it gives me more dimension. I need to see something specific on the higher time frame before I come down here to the 1 minute time frame. And if you don't know what the 1 minute time frame is, or the 5 minute or something like that, I definitely need to get you in day trading school. Come over here to the trading tribe. I'll drop the link for y'all in the chat so you can see it. Come down here, and we got a course right here called Day Trading School, which will teach you about time frames, candlesticks, all of that good stuff, okay? So I'll drop that link down here in the chat for y'all. So I just want you to at least have the basics on trading, because it makes it way more fruitful. You'll learn way more by understanding what I'm talking about when I say time frames. If not, it's gonna be a little confusing, and all it takes is a week. Like, spend a week in day trading school, you'll be fine, okay? It goes from 1st grade to 12th grade. By the time you get to 3rd, 4th grade, these sessions will make a lot more sense. So do it, just do it. Believe me, it's the best decision that you can make this week. Just learn how to read the charts. So this is doing good. It's doing a nice pullback. I want to see it pull back a little bit more though. So I would need to honestly, at least maybe to this level, something like that. That's what I'm looking for. So my hypo, that's what I like to do. I like to make these hypos, is I'm predicting that the market will come down here somewhere, and then maybe make a W around this area, okay? If so, this is where I'm gonna start looking for my buys, and it's coming down pretty fast. So that's looking good for the NASDAQ. Natural gas, let me check this out. Natural gas is not coming down. It's booming. It's booming right now. So I'm not gonna sweat that too much right now. Gold. Gold is a heartbreaker. Gold is an amazing pair to trade. It's real dope. You can make a lot of money off of it. But when it's ranging, when it's stuck in a trap, it's stuck. So I'm gonna wait it out. I'm gonna wait this out right here. I'm not too excited about it. Let me see, anything else I want to check out. Where's US 30 at? There we go. Oh, here it goes right here too. I'm like, something is missing. Micros, there we go. So this did a crazy little push up at 930 bell and then just fell, dropped down. So same thing with this market. I would need to see a significant pullback somewhere down here. I'm not sure where exactly, but I do like it if it pulls back a little bit more. We might get a signal here in a second. T.Bot might send me a signal right around here, actually. So let me keep my eye on that. Will this live be up after the stream? Yep, it will. It'll still be up. So will we be making live trades in Top Step? Yep, that's what I'm gonna be doing over here. Yep, live trades over here on Top Step. I got it pulled up. Okay, but the problem with Top Step X, this is their platform. It's cool. It's just like TradingView. It's actually TradingView built into Top Step X. They just don't allow certain things, so I can't put T.Bot over here. So I still like to be over here on TradingView, doing my analysis, and then I just go trade over there. Okay. The NASDAQ is pushing, so it hit my level. It hit the area I'm looking for. So this is now where I'm watching. Trade open, bro, just in case we find a setup. Yes, sir. All right. Okay. If anybody is looking to join Top Step and want some more information, here I will drop a link right here below. It is my affiliate link, so if you sign up, I'll get like a kickback. But if you don't, that's fine too. I'm not totally endorsing them, but I do use them. So if I can get some of my money back, I will. And why not, right? So we will be making, yeah. Do you prefer trading futures over Forex? I've only been doing futures for about 2 or 3 months. But to answer your question, yes, I do. I do. The Forex market always just, I'm not mad at it. And I still got some money in that market, but it's no spread. Like when you jump into a trade here, you can instantly be in profit. Whereas with Forex, there's usually like these broker spreads and commissions that put you negative instantly. You always start off a negative. So I do like that. And then also I got more options over here to trade. Like I can trade, like I said, wheat. I could trade futures. Everything I could trade on Forex, I can also trade on futures and more. So there's certain, like I can't trade oil. Maybe you can. Certain brokers do allow you on Forex. Certain brokers do allow you to trade like oil, but not like wheat or soybeans or copper. And then also it's not regulated. So I do prefer futures because it's regulated. If something goes wrong with the broker, the U.S. government can step in. Okay. This is moving fast, y'all. This is moving fast. Okay, I am now officially on the 30-second time frame. I'm looking for a double bottom. I'm looking for a push up, a little pullback, and then I'm jumping in. This is the NASDAQ. I think I'm gonna just keep my focus over here for a second. Gold is dropping. Ooh, look at that trade. It pulled back. This would have been a profit, but I want to see another pullback. I'm not ready just yet. I'm not ready just yet. But that could have been the first win of the week right there. But I'm gonna try to see if I can get in on NASDAQ. Okay, let's look at the news as well. Let's see if any news is coming out. Also, let me pull up my NQ over here, so I'm ready. Okay. Ooh, now that's breaking that level right now. That's breaking that level. That ain't, I gotta wait to see how this plays out. I gotta wait and see. This is a big, look at the 1 hour time frame. This is a big red candle over here. Huge red candle happening right now. But that's good. I like to see that. This is literally what I look for. A nice strong red candle. I'll go back and show you another example. This is a nice strong red candle on Friday. It dropped and then it turned green after that. Okay. Same example over here on Thursday. Nice red candle. Big red candle at 9 o'clock. 10 o'clock, we came and took all of that money back up. Green, strong candle. Okay. See if another situation over here. Boom. Same thing over here. Oh, this one's at 8 o'clock. Strong red candle at 8 o'clock. It's actually gold. Sorry about that. Let me turn off gold zone for a second so you can see that. I know it's red though because I guess I created T.Bot. Let me see. Come on. There we go. So nice strong red candle and then boom, powerful green candle. So red is good. I don't like to buy into the green. I want to buy when we just had a strong red candle, okay? So here we are right here getting a nice strong red candle, and that's what I'm going to be waiting for. Once this candle closes at about 10 o'clock, see it come and start to give us a nice trade over here, okay? Let's see if we can win on our first day. Let's see if we can win on our first day. Benefits of joining the stream. Yeah, is y'all seeing what I'm seeing? Okay, yeah. Oh, okay, yeah. All right, cool, we good. S&P is moving too. Yeah, it is. You know that market moving. Is it going down or up though? Dropping down, yeah, into a nice zone. So they moving in sync right now. They moving in correlation. So this is good. This is nice. Let me see if any news came out. S&P 500 index back up to its highs. Oh, back up to battle its highs. Wall Street set to open slightly higher at start of data heavy week. Okay. Futures edge higher at start of data heavy week. Okay. So looking like positive news coming. Now we are in a pullback, but that's expected. That is expected. All right, T.Bot gave me a gold zone. Let me see what we looking like on a 1 minute time frame. Yeah, we getting there. Let's go. Oh man, let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it. Okay. Might hop in both. Is that T.Bot with the red box at the bottom? I put the red box at the bottom, but what T.Bot put on this chart, if I turn, watch when I turn on T.Bot, you see everything that disappears. So for one, those moving average lines disappear. Let me actually hide this too for a second. So this is what T.Bot on. The candles turn gold. Ooh, look at that. Look at the candle turning gold. Peep over here. If this keeps going down, this big red candle just turned gold. That's definitely what I want to see. But it's coming up now. So I already seen it. Now I know it's about to come up. So T.Bot turns the candles gold for me and put on these moving averages for me, for you as well. These blue lines at the top show me the today's high, and then blue line at the bottom show me today's low. Okay. So it automatically shows me today's range. And now, here we go. Do you have gold stocks? What gold stocks could I research interest in investing? What do you mean by gold stocks? I'm not sure what you mean by gold stocks. That word gold is used a lot on these streams, so I just need to know what you mean by that specifically. Ooh, this is looking good. This is looking good. I'm gonna wait it out though. I'm gonna wait it out. I'm gonna wait for the 1 minute time frame. That's a powerful candle right there, though. I'm setting up my buy position. This is NQ. So on Top Step, I need to go over here and pull up micro NQ. Micro NQ. Okay, look for that, y'all. Micro NQ. If you trading NASDAQ. And as always, I like to say this because I'm not a financial advisor, so this is always for educational purposes only, informational purposes only, and only invest risk capital. Okay, this is not financial advice. This is just educational. But if you do it, just do it right. That's all I'm saying. Okay, so right now I'm looking at NASDAQ on Top Step, and I'm looking for some kind of setup similar to this. Okay. Ooh. And then down over here on the right hand side, you got order panel. I'm looking for MNQ M24. Okay, micro NASDAQ. That's the one that I'm trading. Okay, and then for starters, I'm telling you, just trade one contract just so you can get used to it. If you try to do too much, you might end up getting burned. I don't want you to do too much. Just try it out so you can see how it moves, and then you can add more as you go along, as you get more comfortable with it, okay? All right. How many contracts am I trading? Let me show you. Say it again, bro.
Go to setup.
Oh, you got it set up?
No, that's what I was asking.
Oh, okay. Yep. So this is market by, this is NQ, and these are minis. Cool. So micro. So yeah, if I was to trade this right now, it's Monday, I would only be risking maybe like $100 on this. So about two contracts. That's how much I'll be looking to trade on this, about two. My stop loss is down here at 18,250. It's the 1 minute time frame. This is about ready. I think I'm about to get this a shot. Yeah, I'm about to get this a shot. Stop loss at 18,250. Entry at 18,282. $18,282, yep. Might wait for like one more pullback. It might, if it shoot up and then just get like a little pullback, that'd be great. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can practice some great patience today. I'm like not usually, but sometimes I will get in right here. I'm gonna wait, and the reason why I'm gonna wait is because it's 9:55, which means this 1 hour candle over here is about to close, and we're about to go into a new candle. And usually when we start a new candle, it pulls back first and then goes up. So this is where the patience comes into play right here. Okay, when you say gold, you say gold mining companies. Do you know any that I can research? Okay. No, not off the top of my head. I don't. Yeah, we can always research it though. Can you please go over the settings to see your trade on chart? Stop loss, TP, and entry for Top Step. Yeah, I'm not sure what you mean per se. If you can give a little bit more detail, let me know. But this tool is one thing I use. It's called the long position tool. It's over here on the left-hand side of your screen. It's called projection long position. Okay. Put that up here on the screen. Now, one thing I don't like about Top Step is that when you get into a trade, unless you do a stop order, not even then, they still don't allow you to do it. So I don't get it. I don't know why they did this, but they don't allow you to set your stop loss and take profit until after you end the trade. Once I'm in the trade, I'm gonna show you how to set your stop loss and take profit. Once you end, it's gonna allow you to drag your stop loss to where you want it and drag your take profit to where you want it. Okay? They go to pullback I was looking for. And it did it a little bit early. It did it a little bit early, but it's good. Now y'all seeing that W? It's looking good. But we gotta wait it out a little bit more. Okay. Yeah, almost there, y'all. Yield around. Let me know if you have any other questions. I'm not sure if I really relayed the point. Okay, we getting there. So NQ is that the mini NQ or micro NQ? 50 cent. Okay. So every tick that this moves, it moves 50 cent. Look at that moving right now. Shoot. Give us a second, y'all. Ugh, okay. It's so hard watching this go up. I'm just trying to give it like 2 minutes into 10 o'clock. Shoot, it's going up right now. I'm supposed to be in this. I think I should be in this. I think I'm ready, bro. You ready? Like, dang, it's 10 o'clock, man. You ready? I think our stop loss is in a good point. All right, so I'm waiting now. Wait for the pullback because it's shooting up crazy. So we should, at 10 o'clock, we should get a little pullback. That's all we need is a little pullback to jump into this, okay? Ooh-wee. Y'all seeing this in real time. 10 a.m. There it goes. So let's see if we can get like a nice red candle on the 1 minute or something. Here it come down. There we go. That's really all we be needing. All right. See if it close. And then how do I get out of here? Where you at? How do I get out of this? What the heck? ready, bro. 1, 2, 3. I'm in there. All right, so did it put me in? No, I did it wrong market.
Order filled.
All right, now I'm in. All right, so to change your stop loss, what you would do is you would move this, drag this down. That's it, you just drag that down to move your stop loss. It's going to be a $147 loss. If I lose this, I'm going to move it all the way down here. If I win, I'm going to probably put it somewhere in the same range, somewhere around here, 165 for now. Okay. And then did I already buy? Yep, I already bought one here. Okay. All right, y'all. Strategy stream, first ever trade. Let's go ahead and see if the first one gonna be a winner for us. Yeah, you said you'll show when you're gonna trade, so I'm waiting. I'm already in at 18,263. Okay. All right, nice. Good job. Good job. So, yeah, now that you in, you could drag. You just click right here on this one in the middle, and you could drag the TP to where you want it to. Okay. You could drag it right to wherever you want it to. Let's go. We in our first trade. If this take off for us, we in a good position. Let's go. No rush at all. No rush at all. Let's just walk it on up. Okay. I think I got in right around here somewhere. You are buying? Yep, I did a buy. Andrew said this is going to rip. That's what I'm talking about, Andrew. Talk that talk. It definitely ripped downwards, so why not see it go the other direction? What chart are you on TradingView? I am on NASDAQ 100. It's called MNQM. Now, this is the thing about trading futures on TradingView. You either need an account, you either need to buy data from TradingView, which is like $7 per month, or you need to have an account with like Tradeovate. Tradeovate will automatically integrate with TradingView and they'll pay for the data for you. So your account with Tradeovate will pay for that with you. So you can still look this up right here on TradingView, but it's going to be delayed by like 10 minutes, 5 or 10 minutes if you don't purchase data. Okay. Here we go. We up $26, 27, 28. Let's go. 30. Let's go. Ooh. I'm up. Nice. I'm like, what you up? What you looking like?
70.
Let's go. Let's get this back. They owe us a little something from Friday, I think. They owe us a little something. All right, this is looking good. This is good. And I didn't risk too much. Anytime you're in profit, sometimes you hope that you definitely risked a lot. All right. Can you explain how to place a trade again? Yeah. So over here, you click on. Let's say you was trading NASDAQ. You would go over here to the right order, type in MNQ, and then you'll see it right here, MNQ. Okay, and it's going to show you the mini NASDAQ. Okay, and then you click on order type is market. That means put me in right away. The number of contracts, you can do 1 or 2, whatever feels good for you. And then you click buy. Okay. Just doing a little pullback right now. Yeah, just click buy to, no join bid. Thank you, S. Dave. Thank you. Yep. Appreciate all the likes. Okay, Shanika, glad you made it. You listening in? Great. Okay. Why not use NinjaTrader? It's just preference. Just preference. I like, well, for one, with Top Step, they make you use their platform. So we have to use Top Step for trading. And then for two, when I'm not using Top Step, I'm using Tradeovate. And I just tried their platform first, and I really like their platform. But I do want to learn NinjaTrader too. I did that, but it did not let me select the stop loss. No, the stop loss is not like that on this platform. It's not a stop loss. You set the stop loss by dragging this down right here in the middle once you end the trade. Once you end the trade, then you drag your stop loss down to where you want. Just make sure you do market and the number of contracts. That was a nice pullback. I think it's about to take off. I'm about to buy one more contract right here.
Order filled.
Okay. Hopefully I don't regret that later, but it's cool. We got this. I'm gonna go up to a 5-minute time frame. Only thing I can see happening, because remember, I like to verify my trades. The only thing I can see happening here is the market comes down, it makes a bigger W before going up. So hopefully that don't happen, but if it do, it's cool. Hopefully we still keep our position. If it does close, I'll just be looking for the next entry point. Okay. So I just want to teach y'all on, like, when you trading, if you take a loss, don't like think it's the end of the world. It's all about timing. It's about timing. So if you missed the first one, see if it comes back around again. And if it does come around again, that should be the one. If not, stay out the way. It's doing a lot of manipulation and trickiness. Get out of there. Okay. I want to see it break this area right here. This is a very important zone. About to show y'all real quick, because remember I told y'all before it made a W over here to the left, over here. So usually if it makes a W, this becomes a floor, and hopefully it doesn't become a ceiling. So this area right here is where a lot of people are buying and selling. So hopefully in this area we get more buyers than sellers. If more sellers come in here, this market is going to shoot down. It's going to go crashing down, which is, look, you see it right there? That means right at this area, looking like we may have more sellers, but I'm trying to wait it out and see. I'm trying to see if the buyers can keep holding right around here. We need some big institutional traders to come in. Okay, I am not able to do that. Mine doesn't even show that I'm in a trade. Okay, so the main thing is, go do me this favor. Go down here at the bottom of your screen. You see how I just drag this thing up? Go down here to accounts and then click on positions. Okay? See if you have any open positions. If you don't have any open positions, you probably just put in an order, a stop order, which means pending. Go over here to orders and tell me what it says over here. Let me know if over here you got any orders that say, and I'm sorry this text is so small, they won't let me. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in a little bit on my own screen. Yeah, let me zoom in a little bit. Just trying to show y'all a little bit better idea. Yeah, LeBron and G figures. I want to make sure that y'all get into the trade at least once, so we can see on this live stream. This is what today's supposed to be about, getting all the kinks out for y'all too. Okay. Let me know if everything looks the same on your screen. Does yours say market up here? Does yours say MNQ up here? Did you press buy +1 market? And then you should, down here, order types. My order status is filled. Okay. Filled, like mine. So mine also says filled. Okay. And then I got one limit order open, which is my take profit, and then one stop order. Do you have anything down here that says anything under the field? Do you have anything under field? Come on, let's go. This is it. That was a nice pullback. Come on, that gotta be it. That gotta be over. It gotta be over. Yeah, but I do not get those take profit or stop loss lines. I think you in the trade though. I think you're in it. You just have to click on this box right here in the middle that shows the updating dollar amount, and literally just drag it down. Okay, I drag mine too low. I want mine around here. Just drag it down. And then for take profit, you just drag it up. Click it and drag it up. Now, no. When you G figures, one more time. When you click buy, you're not going to get those lines. You should get this line right here in the middle, though. You should at least get the line right here in the middle. Do you at least see this thing in the middle that says what your open profit and loss is? Do you see that? Just answer that question first. Do you see that right there? There we go. Push, push, push. Also, if y'all on Slack, what you could do is you could take a screenshot. This might be even better. Take a screenshot of what your order panel looks like down here and send that on Slack. Then I can check it out. I can actually pull it up and see what your screen looks like. So that's always great too. I can help you debug. Looking good, looking real good. It's still having a hard time passing this block right here. Here it comes. Come on, break through it. Break through it. Now this is my verified step. If it don't break through this area and it come back down, I might jump out of this trade early. See what it do. Okay, I think it's breaking it. Come on, stop playing with us. Stop playing with us. Okay, Junior Scott, I got your message. Cool. So cancel. Filled. At 18,263. And that was for NQ. Hold on, Scott. I'm a little confused. How long have you been trading this account? This for you, LaRon Scott. How long have you been trading this account? Because it say you already up a lot of profit. It say you up. You probably need to close this trade if you're still in that trade. You need to get up out of there. Dang, it came back and rejected right here. Man, I think I'm about to close this, man. Come on, stop playing with us. Today, oh yeah, you need to get up out of there, bro, because you also not even on the micros, you on the minis, so you need to close instantly. So let me see. There's a button over here that says flatten all. Click flatten all. That will flatten all of your positions and close you out of all trades. Click that. Take that money and go. Yo, take that money and go. Yeah, you up 1,400. Hurry up and close that, because you also can't win more than 1,500 in one day. You can, but they penalize you a little bit. So, yeah, close that right now. Click flatten all. That will close all the positions for you. Congratulations. Still not used to the time zone difference. I got you, Maverick. Okay, that's cool. It's cool. Yo, this is trying to. I'm keeping this open though. I don't think I'm closing it. I know I said if it come down, because what I'm seeing, I feel like it's a lot of manipulation before that rip. right? Somebody said this joint is about to rip. That's what I'm starting to feel too, because it's holding up at this level. If I lose, I just lose. But I think I'm gonna hold it. I definitely want to hold this because this trade got potential to take off, take all the way off. Okay, rest of the tribe, everybody else, where y'all at? Where y'all at? Let me hear some questions. Let me hear some feedback. Is this helpful so far? Talk to us. KK, I did. I'm in profit 1,300. Let's go. Congratulations, boy. You halfway there already. But next time, be careful, because you also could have blew your whole account today. You could have blew it. You could have been done. Okay. You were supposed to be on MNQ, micro NASDAQ. The contracts here are cheaper. They are worth less than regular NQ. Regular NQ, every tick is like $5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, it moves really fast. Whereas over here, every tick is like, I think, what was it, 50 cents or something like that. So, yeah, you lucked up. You got that beginner's luck on your side. I'm telling you, it happens to all of us. We start off, we definitely get some good beginner's luck. So don't blow it. Be careful. Don't make no other mistakes. But you is in a good position right now. You up 1,300. That's great. Yeah, congrats. Yes, everybody send him some congrats. He in a good position right now. Curious, Ron, how much did you put in to make that trade or that profit? Oh, okay. Well, he's on a $50,000 trading account, so he's on the same thing like this, 50K account, and he bought 2 NASDAQ contracts. Each one is worth $5 per tick. So every time this little candlestick moves, it's $5. He bought 2, so every time it moves, it's worth $10. And he bought it way down here at 18,263. So holding it just from, I'm trying to get an arrow, but yeah, this is cool. Holding it just from right here to right here was $1,300. Okay. The reason why is because from here to here is about 130 ticks. So 130 ticks, each tick worth $10. 130 times 10 is 1,300. Okay.
Finally going.
It's finally going. That's good. I like this calm you. I like to calm you. This is finally going. Yeah. Let's go. You up to something?
154.
Okay. Let's go. Ooh, yeah, sometimes you gotta hold them. You gotta know when to hold them and when to fold them. This was definitely a hold them situation. Come on, it broke that level. So let's see if it can stay above that. I know it will stay above, but like, let's just take off. Get us out of here in the next 15 minutes. Get us out of here. Let's go. Oh my God, oh my. Ooh-wee. This is amazing, coach. Learning a lot. Great, cool. Cool. I came out $56 in profit. My goal is 200 a day and don't lose more than 50. I love it, Fatima. Let's get it. 2 contracts I did. Thanks, Coach. Yep. Good stuff. Rome said. I think he did too many contracts. Yeah, yep, too many. Yep. Not two micros, too many. You got mini, which is the normal size. It got to go up top, bro. Yeah, it don't fit into none of those slots. It got the mini is just the normal size, and then micro is the smaller ones. Be careful with NASDAQ next time. Yeah, for sure. Was he using minis? Yep. Sitting pretty, man. I got back in after it broke the Zoom. All right, nice. 200 a day. I don't lose more than that. Okay, nice. Okay.
Made it to that first TP.
It did?
This signal.
Oh, nice. Oh, yeah. TP1 hit. TP1 hit. Let's keep it going. Drawdown wasn't even that much either. Our drawdown was pretty small. Definitely could have made this a little tighter. We would have been up 1 and 2 already. All right, what was I about to do?
So I start closing in some of those profits.
What you up again? 150. I'm not. It's up to you. I'm not really. I just feel like this got more room to give. And if it come down, it is cool. But yeah, I do want you to dog walk that joint. So your count is a little different. It's up to however you want to do it.
Well, at least if it come back to a
Break even. Yeah. Don't take a loss. That's for sure. Okay. How come Top Step allows you to jump out whenever you want? They all do. Every prop firm, every trading account allows you to get out whenever you want. Are you not used to that? Somewhere else you traded, it didn't allow you to do that? Yeah, gold is doing some crazy stuff. Dow Jones came back down. Glad we didn't take that trade. It might be coming back down here towards our area. All right, it's retesting that top. Come on, this should be the bounce right here. This is it. This is it. This is it. This is it. Get some more buyers. Come on. Let's go. I'm up 500 on my other account. That joint back up there, bro. Ain't that crazy? That's the one that was at 40, 48. Damn, man, that joint up to 50 now.
450. Okay. You jumped all the way.
Yeah, this is 2 contracts, but this is the minis. But yeah, it was so down low, it was so hit. I had to get it out of there. I had to, yeah. Okay, so this is the 5-minute time frame. This has been good. These some strong green candles. That last 5 minutes was slow. It's pulling down right now. Let's see if it's ready. Don't come back beneath this level. Shoot. Let's see. Come on. I hope that they're just trying to seduce some sellers, but really they're gonna go back up. Come on, we need the buyers to come into the market. It's hard to watch this, y'all. I hate watching charts. I only do this with y'all. This is painful right now. This is real painful. because we just was up crazy, and in one candle they coming to get it all back.
Huh.
I'm holding it. I'm holding it. I'm gonna just wait it out and see. Look at that. That is blitzing. Did we have some 1030 news or what? Sheesh. Nope, no 1030 news. This don't pull up right now. This is good. One thing I do notice is that this is the neckline. Y'all know I always talk about that, coming back to this neckline. So hopefully that's what we just got. Came back, pulled in. Those people who thought it was going to be a seller's market, and go back up. It's time. Come on. I'm waiting for my credentials for the challenge I passed last week. They usually take 1 to 2 days to send it to you. And I passed it on a Friday, so I should see it hopefully later today. Have you figured if the platform allows you to close a percentage of the trade instead? So what you can do is you can click, let's say you want to buy, and you want to buy for 2 contracts. If you click sell 1, you can close 1 of those positions out. So just click sell, and that's how you'll get out of the market at 1 of those positions. Come on, they owe us big for that. They owe us big for this big pullback. Come on, now it gotta go crazy. It got to. How long do we have to reach the goal? Good question. So there's no time limit on it. That's the good thing about trading with this prop firm. There's no time limit. I gave myself 5 days. I'm gonna try to pass it this week, but even if I don't, I still can continue trading it as we go along. But it's a challenge just to see. That's the whole goal of the challenge, is to see if we can make it happen. But there's no rush. There's no rush. I would tell everybody on here, don't feel like you have to pass it in 5 days. You have unlimited time to pass it. However, just remember, if you don't pass it within 30 days, they're going to charge your credit card another $19, okay, or however much you pay for your challenge. So they're going to charge you again until you pass it. It's a monthly fee until you pass. Okay. Okay, cool. I want to open it up for a little bit of Q&A right now. Let's have a little Q&A session. It's 10:30. Let's talk a little bit. Any general questions about trading right now, about this strategy, about T.Bot, about Top Step? Any questions right now? Let's talk. Let's holler. Let me know what's on your mind. How y'all feeling about this setup right here? Is this still looking strong? You still feel like it got potential to go up? Or do you think this is about to drop? Yeah, the yellow folders don't usually make the market do anything big. Kind of look like it want to form a W on M15. Let's look at M15. Yeah, for real. I was hoping to not get caught up in that, but We'll see. It's pulling up. That's a nice long wick on the M15. I'm glad you mentioned that, because now that I look at that right there, that looks really nice. That looks really nice. And then on the 1 hour, we already had a strong red. Now this is the green coming back for revenge. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see if it can come and finish what it started. Still trying to see how to get the stop loss and take profit. Yeah, I'm not sure. I didn't even see nothing on your chart. I didn't even see this in the middle, which really threw me off. Actually, let me check out your chart again. Something else looked a little weird about your chart too. You got a moving average on there. Let me see if there's any settings that you gotta change to make it work. Let me just make sure. Status line. Nope, that looks good. Symbol. That looks good. Scale. That looks good. Session breaks, yeah. So usually there's like there's a section over here on TradingView. I'll show you over here. In the settings on TradingView, they do allow you to, there's like a trading section, and you could say add the buy sell buttons, show my positions, show my orders. All of that will show on the screen. On Top Step X, that doesn't exist. So now I'm confused on why yours doesn't show your positions, man. That's not good at all. Add chart link. This and this. Settings, maybe. Oh, I can do, yes. Okay, I forgot about this. They got copy trading on Top Step X too, so that's good. So I can copy between my Top Step accounts. I did not know that. Oh, yes, they sent me my funded account, finally, cool, all right, so I'm trying to find hide chart plots. Oh, what's this? Order. Okay, so go to your settings, LaRon. See if you got this checked by default. See if this is checked for you. Okay? Because if this is checked, they will hide your positions on the chart. Make sure it says right, medium. Yeah, that's the only thing I could think of right now on why yours is not showing. Can you hit the settings on the order panel? Show my ask always. Hide. Let me zoom in because I know this looks weird, a little small. Yeah, none of my stuff is hidden. Hide, cancel all button. Nothing is hidden. Do you got anything that says hidden on yours? Nostalgic said I might hop in. Yeah, this is nice. This is a nice little area to hop in. For real, for real. This will be a good second area. If you think it's still gonna go up. If you think it's gonna go up, then yeah, this will be a good area to enter. $10.40. This 10 o'clock candle was a game. It did okay for a minute, but then it kind of gave up. So let's see what happens here. Come on. We got 20 minutes left in this candle. Let's see if it can find a burst. Anything is possible. I'm telling you, these markets move in seconds, so it don't even take 20 minutes to make a move. You could miss a move in like 5 seconds for real. So that's what we need right now, a 5-second miracle. Ooh, we back into the goal zone on a 15-minute time frame. Okay, I like it. I'm gonna let this float. I'm gonna let this float. I think it's good. Come on, there we go. Come on. Am I back again? It's playing games. It's a Monday, man. This is a bad Monday trade too. On not this account, but other account. I shouldn't have took it on my other one. Should have waited it out because that one is I'm shooting for the moon. I need them ones to move quick. I can't sit and draw down on this one. I need this one to pew. This one is good for the top step, low, small trade for Monday. I think this one is fine. How we looking, y'all? How we looking? LeRon, did you never let me know if anything was checked off on yours? This is crazy. Yeah, I've seen this a lot of times too, and I can't sit and watch this. But sheesh, this is the torture I guess we got to deal with today. You don't know when it's going to finally pop. Come on. Let's see if I can go back and find some inspiration though. Just to remind us that this is what happens. There goes the market over here. Let's check out this market. Okay, here's a good situation. Market went down, came up, and then pulled back for a while before finally taking off at about 10:30, 10:40. So let's see if we can get it right now. If they're gonna make us wait for it. It's back below that area though. That's the other sad part is it's back beneath this pink part. I didn't really like this zone right here. I wanted to see it break above it. It did for a second, just to now continue back up. Or continue back down, sorry. Alright, cool, I got it ready. It's Monday before major news. Right, yeah. Let's see what news is coming up. We got PPI. I think we also have CPI this week too. Yep, CPI as well. So, yep. I'm gonna be really careful. Last week when I passed this challenge in 1 week, it was because the week before that we had a huge heavy news week, and then last week was no news. So it was a really smooth week, smooth moves. Now you're right, we got to deal with all this sentiment analysis, and is it gonna go up? Is it gonna go down? Should we be buying? What's the data gonna say? Yeah, a lot of data coming out this week, but it's looking like the bulls are holding up. That's what I do see. I see the bulls holding up right now. There we go. Come on. There you go. Come on. Okay, cool. So we about to kick off a AI trading bot workshop. Anybody on here interested in building trading bots or trading indicators using code? Specifically, how do you get AI to write the code for you? If you're interested in that, just type AI below so I can know you're interested, see who's interested. Make a note. Soccer 12's made his prediction, said I think it's about to sell. Sorry, cool. Arthur said, loving this, thank you for showing. I think CPI is tomorrow. CPI is Wednesday. PPI is tomorrow though. PPI is tomorrow. AM move already took place. Okay, got it. Settings, risk settings. We gonna see. We don't even need a huge move. All we need to do is to come somewhere close back up here near today's high. It ain't even got to reach today's high. Just come up a little bit. Oh, here come another strong red candle. Wick it out, wick it out. Okay, Arthur, now it's cold. Julia, Fatima, cool, got it. Man, that's me. I need more consistent. Okay, got you, Chantel. Cool. All right, so I didn't want to do too much, but just so you know, for future streams, I will be jumping from market to market, looking at different opportunities too. But I didn't want to do too much today. I wanted to make sure first day we all on the same page. You can see the process of focusing on one thing at a time. But yeah, on some days you may see me trying out different instruments. I just didn't want to overdo it though. I know it's hard enough trying to get used to this new platform, Top Step X. It's almost there, y'all. I'm a little bit disappointed in how this played out. Let me see. Matter of fact, is it too late? Matter of fact, I might close this one. I might close this one. 75. Yeah, this was up 3. If I get that 3 back, I'm about it. Yeah. definitely still respecting our pattern, thankfully. We got our pull down to this area. And I'm wondering if this was like a little ascending W. Let me see if I'll draw it on my other chart. That's what I was hoping to see. We go back up to like the 5-minute time frame. Oops. Yeah, this was kind of like an ascending W in a sense, if you look. Market went down, shot up, pulled back down. Let's see if it wants to shoot up for us. These wicks just is not there. There's not a lot of volume in the market on this time frame. Let's see, volume down over here. Well, the volume came in a little bit on the seller side and on the buyer side early this morning. Kind of like what Enoch was saying and what we were saying at the beginning of the session. The London session had a lot of the activity. The London move was real strong. So at 3 a.m. this morning when the European markets was opening up, a lot of these charts shot up crazy. I'm not seeing no crazy sellers though, that's for sure. Here we go. Go ahead. What time is it? 10:58. Here come the 11 o'clock candle. Quick, right? Just keep on playing games. I appreciate y'all for tapping in with us early in the morning. Came out. I'm happy with 68 profit for the day on a Monday. There we go, Fatima. Now you talking. Yeah, if we can, if it comes back up here and then starts to drop again, then yeah, I'll move my stop loss and the profit. Right now, I'm just giving it room to breathe. I want to show people what it's like to just be okay with the market. It's never going to be perfect. It's going to go up, down, up, down, up, down. So this is especially for the beginners, so you can know how sometimes you got to set it and forget it. And staring at the charts can be agonizing, so be careful. You can stress yourself out with that. It's okay to just walk away from the charts. But we're going to be doing a lot of live trading for the next 2 weeks. So yeah, bring on the agony, bring on the emotions, but bring the emotional management as well. I'm watching S&P is struggling to make it below 52.47. I wonder what the Dow Jones ended up doing. Oh, it came right to the area. This is where I wanted to buy at. This is definitely where we wanted to buy, so it's in that zone now. Okay, it's 11 o'clock. Let's see how that candle closed on a 1 hour. Oh, I'm on the wrong chart. Okay, I'm on the wrong chart. I'm about to say, what? Okay, so looking at this, the 9 o'clock candle was red, which is what we wanted. Ooh, sheesh, let's move it down quick. And then the 10 o'clock candle was green. We wanted it was looking good, strong, but it came back down, which is it's cool. It's not too late yet. I'm glad it ended green. That's a good sign. We ended off in the green. So next we need this candle right here just to continue what the buyers started at 9 o'clock. I mean at 10 o'clock. So the 10 o'clock buyers, we kicked it off. We need a big trader to come in right here and take it to that next level. I don't know what they waiting for, but they need to come on through. Got a nice wedge happening here too. It's right here in a tight, okay, so this is make or break decision right here. This is where it's about to happen. We in what's called a wedge. That's when the market is making higher lows and lower highs. So it forms like this little triangle pattern. And this is usually where we get a strong breakout. So we're gonna see who really in control. It's the buyers or the sellers. All of this resistance right here is telling me the sellers are in control. So I'm trying to see if we can hold up a little bit, but I'm not sure if it's gonna hold up. Let's see. See it's breaking out of that wedge right now. Hopefully that's a fake out. I'm hoping for it. Come on. You hit this level before and you bounced up. Do it again. Do it again. Come on. Make sure. Yeah, so for people who was wondering, because I did see a question earlier, what is the CPI? So CPI is Consumer Price Index. It measures the rise of inflation, whether inflation in goods and services, consumer goods and services, is going up or going down. So that's a big number that comes out every month. And if consumer inflation is going up, then people start to speculate on if the Federal Reserve is going to raise interest rates or lower interest rates. And that's what makes, that has a significant effect on the stock market, on the indice market, on gold, on the US dollar. It's a pretty big indicator, leading indicator. So I think in June is when people are expecting the Federal Reserve to announce if they're going to raise or lower the interest rates. Okay, do y'all see that? Y'all see how specific the market is? It came down to this level twice. Hoping this is it. It came here once here, and it came here again just now. Both times it tapped up. Okay, it went up. So we is in this ugly little zone right now. They didn't caught me in the trap house, but this is the breakout we waiting for. Let's see if it's gonna break out. got a chance. Let me see. So at this point, what I'm gonna have to do, because this is the verification stage, I'm gonna have to plot me an exit, because I have to consider the fact that this market may consolidate in this area. Let me make it a different color. Let me make it yellow. The market may consolidate in this area for the rest of the day. So if that's the case, I gotta figure out at what point do I want to get out. And then live with that decision too. Because if I could get out and then it can go directly to my profit point, and I could be like, dang, I was in this trade. I could have won it if I would have just held on for another 5 minutes. But when you make a decision like that, you got to live with it, okay? Or I can say, you know what, I'm gonna hold it, let it just sit here till 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and see if it goes up. But it may come down and take me out. And I could be like, dang, you know, I should have got out earlier. I had a chance. But like I said earlier in my oath, you have to be consistent. You have to be consistent. So for me right now, I feel committed to this buy. I like it. I've been in it long enough. I like how it's holding up at this neckline area. So it's making me feel like it's good. Honestly, if I would have gotten in without the hesitation, we would have been in right down here at the neckline. So we would still be in a nice amount of profit. But of course, we multitasking on here. So we in profit, but not that much. 35, which is cool. But I'm waiting to see. I'm waiting to see if this thing can do what it's supposed to do. Go for it. Come on. Come on. That's nice. That's nice. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. You ready? 11 o'clock might be the hour. 11 o'clock might be the hour. Let's go. Here we go. Finally going back up to that high. Break out of this yellow box. Come on. Don't turn around here. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Let's see what it do. If I seen it and called it, still take it as a win, rather if I was in it or not. Oh, okay, got you. Okay, Fatima. Fatima's saying if I got out early and it still go where I wanted it to, it's a win. Yeah, I respect that, because like you said, it's your setup, your strategy, and then you'll work your mental endurance to be able to hold it longer. But yeah, I like that. Count it as a win still. That way, you like telling your mind subconsciously, I was right, and next time I'm right, I'm gonna hold it a little bit longer, kind of thing, and we're gonna go. let's go. Come on. Break that area. Why are you playing games? They want to take this 5 though. Come on. I like how these EMAs is spreading on this low time frame. I like it. We do for a little pullback. I know it's going to pull back, but it should only be for a second. This is what we're waiting for. Come on. Come on. It's a crucial little zone right here at this top. Come on, it's either going to reverse or it's going to go all the way up. Okay, nice. Hit 1450. Keep it there, LeBron. Keep it there. Because if you go over 1500, they're gonna try to make you work harder to get funded. Come on, this is it right here. Come on, don't break it. Don't break it. Don't break this level. There we go. Nice. There we go. Come on. Stay above 14,301. On this trade, 59.60. Tempted, real tempted to take this and just run with it. I just closed out my other trade on my other account. Got to get up out of there. Take that profit and go. See, so if this do drop right here, I'm getting out of this because it's showing me that it came to this level again and couldn't make it past it. So let's see what it do right here at this bounce. If it break this right here, I'm getting up out of here. Still holding?
Back in.
Oh, he was out.
Yeah.
Okay.
I got it out. I'll jump back in.
When?
Somewhere around here.
I'm about
sometimes.
Oh,
Whatever it is.
alright, cool. All goods or
No.
not losses?
One was a win. I think these other two were losses.
Okay.
See where they count at now?
What was it for?
7. Ooh.
It's alright. We're gonna chore it up. You see, I'm going out on my own into the wilderness. Let me see if this drop. I'm up out of here. Look, it hit that top again. I think I should have just took that. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna close. I'm gonna take in this profit and go. It's dropping fast. Ooh, okay, cool. All right, we still up in some profit, so I take it. But look how quick that's coming down. Had to get up out of there. See that? Sheesh. I'm up out of the market just to repeat. I jumped out, took my profit and ran. It came up to this level multiple times. Okay, multiple times. It proved one and two times that it did not want to pass this area. But it's cool. I held it up to that point, so I was able to still get some profit out of it. But look how crazy that is. Once we got in, look at that. That is not a pretty market, y'all. That's not a pretty market. That's not what it should look like when you're done. It should not look like that. Now, as soon as we out of the market and we leave, watch it make a crazy move.
I'm hoping so.
Because you in. Oh, shoot.
Like, just what I needed. Got all out of it.
Okay. All right, I might be coming over here to make another move on. This is the pullback I was waiting for, so let's see. It might be ready. Let me check it out. Let me do my analysis, see what T.Bot is saying. Quick question to the tribe. Everybody, you good? Y'all familiar with what I was saying over here about it came back up to this area again and then dropped? Remember, this was over here before it was a floor, and what happens if you downstairs in the house, if you look up, that's a ceiling, but people upstairs, that's a floor. So the ceiling can be a ceiling or a floor, and that's what happened here. This was a floor, and then it became a ceiling. So now the market is having a hard time getting back above it. So I don't want to deal with that because it's struggling. I do want to give this a little shot. Okay, this is the US 30. See what happens. Now the thing is with this market, it fell down for the whole day. I mean, since the US market opened up at 9:30, it's been dropping. So I'm a little skeptical about that. This also dropped, but then it did a fake little pullback for a minute just to continue dropping. So they usually move in sync. So honestly, if I'm not too confident about NASDAQ, I probably shouldn't be confident in Dow Jones either. It's probably gonna do the same thing. But I do think that NASDAQ is going to make a move. It's just about a matter of when. So it may be making that W, that second leg right now is pulling back. Let's see if we can get a nice bounce. It may bounce up. Gold ended up continuing to drop. Wheat futures is consolidating. Anything else I have my eye on? Oh, gas. Natural gas. It did a decent pullback at 1020. Nothing too, oh, let me see. I'm looking on a different time frame. Oh, yeah, yep. Man, we missed that. Yep. So we was a little focused over there. 1030 T.Bot gave us a signal for this. This would have been beautiful. Yeah. So that would have been really nice. So yeah, we'll like I said, throughout the week we'll get more comfortable, and I'll be showing you how to bounce around different charts, different markets. Got a few more minutes for the live stream. Any questions as we start to wrap this thing on up? Some of the key takeaways we could talk about was just when you get into a chart, into a market, make sure that you are choosing the right instrument. You got micros and you got minis. Micros are cheaper to buy because they move at a smaller pace. Minis are more expensive in the sense of like every time it moves a lot and it can cost you a lot of money. So be careful. It can make you a lot of money or you can lose a lot of money. But then also buy and sells. You click buy if you want to get in, sell if you want to get out. Down here at the bottom, it shows you your current positions. Okay. And yeah, be patient with your setups. Wait for it. Don't run to it. The earlier you can get in, the better. But at the same time, you need some kind of confirmations that it's ready to go back up. Another key takeaway, Mondays are always tricky. Mondays and Fridays. That's what I will say, y'all. Mondays and Fridays. So even when I passed my challenge last week, I traded on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Okay? Tuesday and Wednesday and Thursday. But it also was no news. This week we got news on Tuesday, Wednesday, and let me see if Thursday has any news coming out. Um, 8:30 unemployment data. So yeah, we got a little bit of news. It ain't too much. It'll be clear for the rest of the day. And Friday's clear too. So Thursday should be a good day. Thursdays will be a good day. So that's good for me. What I want to do is I'm gonna line it up. I'm gonna keep on trying to get as many trades as I can here. And then but smaller ones until we can build up and find us a nice home run or two. This looks like a nice W pattern right here. This looks beautiful on NASDAQ, so hopefully it's about to reverse back around. I just don't like it. Don't look pretty. I hate that choppiness now. This right here, I like how this looks. This look more like it's up my lane, but we need to see it come up into this area first. Any other key takeaways? Real quick, let me know in the chat. What's one thing that you take away from the session? What was one lesson you learned today? also have to now update. Okay, so I just updated my score up here in the top right hand corner. Okay, as you'll see. So we at $50,033. Okay, so we up $30. We up 30. At one point we was up about 70, but this market is dropping, so, and it's still going. Here goes the low of the day, way down here. Let's see, is it coming down to grab that? Oh, that ain't even the low of the day. That's just from earlier today. Nothing looks impressive. I do like how the only thing I do like is the Dow Jones, but I would need to see a nice bounce over here to believe that this is about to go up. If it breaks down here and keeps on going down, then yeah, this market is going to find support somewhere. Now, this is a strategy that we're going to be doing on, I think, week 2 or week 3. It's called a reversal strategy. So all of this right here where the market was actually dropping, where you doing sell orders in a buyer's market, that's a strategy in itself. I don't trade that way when I'm trading a specific strategy, but what I want to do with y'all is on some of these sessions, on a whole week worth of just pure reversal strategies, pure reversal. It's gonna be like just looking for. This week we blending with the trend. Next week we're gonna be going against the trend. So even though it's going up, we waiting for it to reverse and come back down. That's how we're gonna do it next week. I would have been in this trade right now on the reversal side, but it breaks my rules to make a sell right here, so I don't do it. There's money there, but I don't do it because it confuses you if you're trying to do too much. This all the trades we could have made earlier. 7 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 2 o'clock. This is where all of the money was at. So I think it was Enoch. Enoch still on here? I think Enoch said, man, the big move already happened. And yeah, I'm like, that's exactly what we were saying too. It looks like the same thing. Enoch the Great. Peace, my guy. That was a good call getting out of the market up here.
Oh, he's still dropping?
Mm-hmm.
You're jumping one of those. Oh. No, maybe not. Oh, that's gonna make a W.
You see it? Yeah. It's a higher time frame W.
Right.
Yep. I ain't mad at it. I like it. Trying to see if we can get y'all one more trade before we get up out of here. You got a call? Yeah, let's see if this is ready. This is... I'm looking for the micro dial. There you go. I locked my account. I'm done for the day. Good job, LeBron. I locked my account. Can't see my screen. It's frozen. Is it still frozen? Paying attention to the levels the market struggles at. Yeah, that's really key. Always pay attention to those levels every time. Nope, it's dropping again. Yep, good. So I'm staying out the way of this. I think I'm good. I think I'm good for the day. That's cool. I'm gonna take my wins and wait for my setup. That's it. Last Monday, I feel like I was in the same position. I think even last Monday, let me go check out. Let me go see something real quick. I want to say last Monday also was either a no trade day or I took a loss on Monday. The market shot up heavy on NASDAQ. One thing I don't like about Top Step is once you pass the challenge, they delete all your trades. I can't find all of my individual trades. Okay, that's gone too. Okay, cool. This is a nice pullback though, I'm telling you, it's a nice pullback. On the 1 hour time frame, we just gotta see something pop off on the lower. See what it do right here. Let me see, anything coming out? Stocks climb, dollar dips as the focus shifts to U.S. inflation data. It's a gas. It's the 1990s again for the bond yield sensitive stocks. Wall Street inches up with inflation print and focus. So yeah, a lot of inflation data. But they're saying it's inching up. It ain't inching up, it's coming down. That's why I don't like watching the news, because the news is usually a little bit slower. Price tells you quicker what's happening. It tells you how the traders are actually feeling. The news tries to recap what the traders did, which is, it's already too late. Freezing to come back. Okay, cool. All right, cool. All right, this is the first day. We're gonna learn some things and figure out what we got to do to not get any lag. Cool. So I feel like we all won today because we all learned something. I got a little bit of profit, so I'm definitely a winner on that note. But more so, I feel like we all winners for being here. I'm gonna give the biggest winner of the day to LaRon Scott. My man definitely turned up. He got half the challenge done today, so that worked out in his favor. So now I'm gonna try to make it my mission to make sure that he secure those profits, keep those, and don't give it all back. So yeah, congratulations to everybody though. Appreciate y'all again for being here. I'm trying to see if we was gonna take a little trade, but we're not gonna rush nothing. I want to teach y'all discipline and patience too, to where every day is not a great trading day. Get what you can, see money, take money, but then get out the way. Okay. Appreciate y'all so much for being here. I will tap in with y'all tomorrow morning, same time. I'm gonna go live automatically at 9:15. I'll see y'all then. All right. Peace. A lot.